Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. This is a central sector scheme, means 100% of funding comes from central government and state government or union territory are not going to share anything, contribute here. And the implementing ministry of the scheme is Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, and the scheme covers entire India. And this scheme launched on 24th February of 2019 at Gorakhpur in UP and came to force retrospectively from 1st December 2018, and the beneficiaries here are farmers. So farmer is going to get 6,000 annually in 3 installment, that is once in 4 months they are going to get 2,000, and this 2,000 is for the purpose of buying farm inputs before the crop season starts. And the eligibility for this scheme is land ceiling. So initially when the scheme is launched, it is kept at 2 hectare per family or per individual farmer, and now this land ceiling, land cap has been removed, and now all the land holding farmers are eligible for the scheme, and the non eligible to the schemes are institutional landholders and former or present constitutional post holders, that is like CAG, Attorney General of India, Advocate General of State. So these are constitutional posts. Those who held or holding all these posts are not eligible for this. And then MP, MLAs, then district panchayat chairperson, municipal corporation mayor is also not eligible. And then serving or retired employee of central government, state government and local bodies. Then pensioners, those who are getting pension equal or above 10,000 monthly are not eligible for this scheme, but group 4 or group D pensioners are excluded from this. Then professionals like engineers, doctors, lawyer, auditors, or if suppose they are going to practice only, they are not eligible here. And the income tax payers, those who filed income tax in the previous financial year are not eligible to the upcoming year. So this is about PM Kisan Samman Nidhi here, and this scheme targets 14 crore farmer. This 14 crore number comes from farmer census which took in 2015 to 2016, and the highest number of beneficiaries are from UP. Thank you. This is about PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. In upcoming videos, let's see all the central government schemes.